So when I came on my video recording, I clicked on my microphone and I noticed my microphone was missing. For some reason, I wasn't able to capture it. So I'm going to tell you what to do. So in my description area, I've put out this command line and I want you guys to use this command line. Now, before you use this command line, you have to go to the command prompt running by admin. So when you open up CMD, type in CMD in the search link, and then you want to run as admin, then you'll be able to use this command. Remember that is very important. When you run this command, it will pop up this screen. Once it has popped up this screen, you click on next, because that is how the processing will be. So there's some things that I cannot show you due to privacy, but trust me, once you click on the next button, allow this process to run to its entirety. Once it has run completely, it will be able to tell you where the problem is. Now, in my case, the problem was with my Intel Smart Sound technology. It had an error in the OED compartment. So what I wanted to do was I clicked on that and I scanned that hardware. The problem with you losing your sound could just be a malfunction in the motherboard, in the sound area, or it could be a malfunction in your input. Once this has been fixed, you want to click on apply this fix to go further, and most definitely you'll have to restart your PC. So let it do other additional problem detection and troubleshooting before you go further. Remember to subscribe to this channel for all your technical needs and also unboxing issues and things like that. And also give me a thumbs up if this really helped you. I want to know if this has helped you in resolving your problem. Now, once I've checked all the detected issues, I go ahead and I restart my laptop. Now, this is a laptop I'm using, but you can use your PC, whatever. Once that has happened, I click on my sound device and voila, you can see that now everything is in place. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.